Will this thing happen again? After testing so many times. Come on. Come on. I want this to work. Yeah, move over. No, it didn't work. No. Let me try again. So you spin first. This time it's the opposite of... Nope, didn't work. Come on, just work. I want to capture it on video. Come on, so you have to spin. No, I didn't mean to activate the blades. Okay, so you spin first. Silver Spray Blast and Pegasus Jumper when he's in the right position. Nope. Nope. Let's try again. Move over. Good, 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 good. Move this. Oop! Not what I expected. Not what I expected.